Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Every day is like a new drama at my place, guys. I've got so many items to review right now. There are like a bunch of laptops lying right behind the camera. Anyways, today also we have like a brand new laptop in the house, and I think this is the most thinnest and lightest laptop we've actually seen in 2023. So this is Samsung's all new model, guys, Galaxy Book 3 Pro, and packs actually like really interesting features on board. Main highlight on this laptop is that display, guys. It packs like a 14 inches dynamic AMOLED 2x 120 Hz display, the same kind of display that you would see on Samsung's flagship phones, either it be like S23 lineup or these sort of stuff, right? Similar kind of tech on a laptop. Like, how cool is that? On top of that, you're getting like brand new 13th gen hardware and plenty of other stuff as well, like quad speakers tuned by AKG. So I'm like quite excited to see what this thing can actually do. And main highlight, as I've told you guys, ultra slim laptop, only around like 11.4 mm thickness. Just look at this. How did they even fit all of that into this form factor? Crazy, right? Anyways, let's quickly get started with the unboxing part. The laptop came in this very simple packaging. As usual, guys, just like their phones, even their laptops come in this slim sort of packaging. Just the Galaxy Book 3 branding on the front with a picture of the product, and that's it. Samsung branding everywhere, nothing mentioned on it. So let me quickly show you the contents over here. You get a laptop which is your brand new Galaxy Book 3 Pro 2023 model. You also get like a Type-C to Type-C cable and a 65-watt Type-C power adapter for charging. So these are all the stuff we got in the accessories. Now let me give you like a closer look at the laptop and first talk about the design and the build quality part. So Samsung's brand new Galaxy Book 3 Pro actually is available in like two variants. You get a 14-inch variant and a 16-inch variant. Today in the house we have the 14-inch variant, and there are a couple of configurations as well, like you get i5 edition, i7 edition, depending on your requirement and budget. Today in the house we have the 14-inch variant powered by Intel's 13th gen i7. And there you go, here's how our first look and initial impressions on the laptop looks like. And by the way, laptop only comes in this graphite color. I would have really appreciated if the brand could have offered like multiple color variants. Maybe go for like their signature blue color, or maybe like copperish gold sort of accent, something like that. Anyways, if you talk about the overall look and feel, laptop looks very premium from our initial impressions. And as I've told you guys, first thing you'll notice is how slim the laptop is. I mean, look at the thickness over here. It's only 11.4 mm. And also, not to miss out the weight, as soon as you pick up the device, right, it feels so light in the hand. You won't believe that you're actually carrying a laptop. Great for business people or people who want to carry laptop. This is like super lightweight, only around like 1.17 kg, and is great for on the go usage. And talking about the design, as I've told you guys, very clean, minimalistic, professional sort of look and finish, I would say. There is nothing on the top lid, just the Samsung logo on the left side, and overall body has like a matte sort of finish. But I do have to mention, this body definitely attracts a bit of smudges and fingerprints over usage, so you might have to keep cleaning it once in a while. But apart from that, build quality of the laptop is like solid, guys. Entire chassis is made of like metal, full on aluminum alloy metal body, so definitely looks premium for the price that you're paying. So what I'll do is I'll quickly give you like a walk around and show you all the available connectivity ports on this model. Now I'm a bit curious because it's very slim, right? Let's see how many connectivity ports you're having over here. Starting off from the left side, here you have a full-sized HDMI 1.4 port is there, not HDMI 2.1, followed by two Type-C ports are available, and both of them support Thunderbolt 4.0, guys. So super speed connectivity, followed by a tiny status LED indicator. And you see this sleek grill over here just on the lower half of the body. These I/O speakers, this laptop literally packs like quad speakers on board tuned by AKG, so sound on it is definitely special. There is nothing on the front side, and going to the right side over here, you've got one more set of speakers tuned by AKG, and a micro SD card reader is also there. So yes, you can even expand the storage, and followed by a USB 3.2 Gen 2 port available Type A and a 3.5 mm audio jack. That's it. There is nothing else over here. Very limited connectivity ports. I wish the brand would have given at least two Type A ports, guys, because if you're using like a mouse or something, you can't connect pen drive, so that is the only drawback, I would say. Anyways, let's quickly open the laptop and also check out the interiors as well. And my god, as soon as you open it, right, It's a beauty, guys. I mean, a gorgeous looking laptop. I love the space gray graphite color on the body and complemented by that display also. So coming to the display, as I've told you guys, this laptop is available in two variants. You get 14-inch variant, 16-inch variant. I would prefer the much more compact 14-inch, very easy to carry, especially if you're like on a travel or something like that. Anyways, if you talk about the display, it comes with a 14 inches 3K resolution display, 16 by 10 aspect ratio, and it's a dynamic AMOLED 2x panel with 120 Hz refresh rate, one of the finest displays you would actually see in the market. And look at the bezels also. Bezels are also very slim on the sides and the top. On the bottom you do have a bit of chin, but again that is unavoidable, guys. You would see it on most of the laptops. And one more thing, if you can actually notice, is display has like rounded corners over here, guys. I kinda like that. Anyways, going to the top, here you have a 1080p webcam, guys, so that's a good thing. And that's it about the upper half section. Coming to the lower half section, you got the keyboard and a large touchpad as well. So let me give you a closer look and talk about them. The Galaxy Book 3 Pro features a full-sized white LED backlit chiclet keyboard, and quality of the keyboard is pretty nice, I would say. It has a well-defined layout, spacing between the keys is nice, and quality of the keys and keycaps are also good. And overall comfort and experience has been nice. Keys offered a nice and tactile feedback, and yes, the white LED backlighting on it is also adjustable, just like this. Moving on to the touchpad. Touchpad over here is like pretty good, guys. You're getting a large size touchpad and it's a premium glass covered touchpad. It was easily recognizing all my inputs and gestures, and I didn't face any sorts of dead zones anywhere during my testing period. And integrated buttons quality is also good. Clicky, tactile and precise. Moving on, let's talk about the display quality. I've told you right, our variant packs a 14 inches 3K resolution dynamic AMOLED 2x display with up to 120 Hz refresh rate. Speciality over here is the laptop is capable of automatically switching the refresh rate between 60 or 120 depending on the scenario and current application, guys. So it definitely saves a bit of battery. But apart from that, if you talk about the display quality is phenomenal over here, guys. Now come on, Samsung is nothing new in the market, especially if you've used their phones like S23 series or maybe flagship level stuff. It's the same kind of dynamic AMOLED 2x display that you're seeing over here, guys. And usually Samsung makes one of the finest AMOLED displays in the market, so there is nothing less you can expect over here. Since you're having like 3K resolution and it's somewhere around like 2880 by 1800, there is excellent amount of detail at 14 inches, guys. Everything looks razor sharp, especially like text or anything on websites. Or not only that, even if you're watching content like web series or movies on Netflix or Prime Video, right, you will absolutely have like a blast over here. And coming to colors are also like very good. Color accuracy, color reproduction, everything were on point thanks to that dynamic AMOLED display. And not to miss out, it supports up to like 120% DCI P3 color gamut range. So because of that, obviously you can use it for like creative and productive sort of applications, especially for like photo editing or color grading, these sort of stuff. Contrast levels, black levels were excellent, near to infinite contrast ratios because of that AMOLED panel. And viewing angles are also excellent. Picture looked the same no matter from which direction you were checking out the display. Coming to the brightness, now this is the only thing I felt it was a bit limited. Brightness was like TK for like day-to-day sort of usage, it'll get your job done. I found around like 400 nits of brightness during my testing period, but compared to the competition, now brightness could have been slightly a bit higher. And not to miss out, main highlight is 120 Hz refresh rate support, guys. So everything just glides on the panel over here no matter what sort of things you're doing. So that is definitely like a bliss to your eyes. So that was mostly about the picture quality part. And coming to the speakers, I've told you right, speakers are also like quite special. You're getting like quad speakers tuned by AKG, and speakers were definitely impressive. So there was like good amount of detail, especially things like treble quality, vocal clarity, everything were like pretty decent. But bass was not that good, guys. I'd say mediocre sort of bass. Again, they're like tiny laptop speakers, you can't expect bass from them. On the overall, I think pretty decent sounding speakers for a laptop, I would say. So let's talk about the performance and get into the benchmarks. I've told you right, it's powered by Intel's 13th gen platform, and our particular variant features their i7, the 1360p, which is a 12 core 16 thread CPU with a max turbo at up to like 5 GHz. And pair that with like 16 GB of LPDDR5 5 RAM which is soldered on board and a 512 GB PCI NVMe Gen 4 SSD. So these were the kind of specs you're getting on this model. And first of all, before talking about the performance, keep in mind it's a thin and light category laptop. If you're a guy who is spec oriented or want like max performance for the money you're spending, then this, my friend, is not the right choice for you. There are plenty other models available in the market. This is purely made for like premium business customers to show off their laptop or gadgets in the cabin, easy to carry in your hand anywhere on the go, and it's great for media consumption purpose as well. You're getting a decent chip on board, but there is no discrete GPU on this model. It's not possible to fit something like that in this form factor, so graphic heavy workloads cannot be done in this variant. It's great for day-to-day sort of applications like browsing the web, watching videos, web series, movies, or even like office-related works like giving PPT presentation to your clients and stuff like that. I even opened about like 7 to 8 Chrome tabs at the same time, and nothing to worry guys. Overall experience was like very smooth and lag-free over here. I did run a couple of benchmarks as well, like Geekbench 6 and Crossmark. Just have a look at them. Some of you might also ask about the gaming performance, and as I've told you, it's not a gaming category laptop guys. It's a thin and light, and you don't even have like a discrete GPU. You're only getting like Intel Iris Xe integrated graphics, so you cannot use it for gaming purpose. Yes, you can do like basic casual games or maybe play at most GTA 5 at 720p low graphics settings, but that's it, nothing beyond that. Hey, we're almost coming to an end, so let me tell you about the battery life as well. It packs a 63 watt hour battery, and battery life I would say was kind of mediocre guys. Again, because you're getting like a beautiful 120Hz AMOLED display and powerful speakers, stuff like that. So this was something I already expected. On a moderate sort of usage with the brightness set to around like 60% and doing a bit of web browsing, 1080p YouTube videos, and also a bit of text editing, I was only getting around like 8 to 9 hours of battery life. And compared to the competition where they were offering almost up to like 13-14 hours, I felt this was a bit on the lower side. So mediocre sort of battery life I would say. But good thing is it does support 65 watt Type-C fast charging, so topping it up is not an issue. Well, that's it guys, our video on Samsung's Galaxy Book 3 Pro. What do you people think about this model? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. The 14-inch variant costs around like 1,31,000 rupees for the i5 variant, and the i7 variant costs around 1,39,990 rupees. Links for them will be available in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video and got to know full information on this product. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.